Today I am reviewing the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1. If at any time you'd like to explore this outdoor speaker for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for an outdoor speaker that offers exceptional audio quality without compromising on durability, the Bowers & Wilkins AM-1 architectural monitor is absolutely worth your attention. This speaker, designed specifically for challenging environments like patios, gardens, and poolside setups, manages to strike a rare balance between premium sound performance and rugged, weather-resistant construction. Let's start with the sound quality, which is the heart of any speaker experience. And with Bowers & Wilkins, expectations are naturally high. The AM-1 doesn't disappoint. It features a 1-inch Nautilus tube-loaded aluminum dome tweeter, which handles the high frequencies with incredible clarity. Whether it's subtle background music during a backyard dinner or high-energy playlists at a pool party, you get crisp, sparkling treble without any harshness. This tweeter design, inspired by the brand's high-end audio heritage, helps reduce resonance and delivers more detailed highs than most outdoor speakers in this price range. Moving to the mid-range and bass, the speaker uses a 5-inch glassfibre cone bass and mid-range driver, paired with an auxiliary bass radiator, or ABR. This combination delivers a surprisingly punchy and well-rounded sound. What really stands out is the depth of the audio. It doesn't just sound loud, it sounds full. Even in an open outdoor space, where audio can often feel thin or dispersed, the AM-1 projects a rich, immersive soundstage. The ABR, in particular, enhances the low-end response without needing a traditional baseboard, which is crucial for maintaining a sealed, weather-resistant design. Now let's talk about the design and installation. Bowers & Wilkins clearly put thought into making the speaker not just sound great, but also fit seamlessly into outdoor and indoor environments. The included wall mount bracket is made of cast aluminum and uses a clever one-plug mounting system. You can install the speakers either horizontally or vertically, and thanks to their ability to rotate up to 110 degrees from center, you can easily angle them for the perfect sound coverage, whether you're relaxing on the patio or entertaining guests across a wide backyard. Another big win is how low-profile and stylish the AM-1 looks once mounted. The design is sleek, minimalist, and doesn't scream outdoor tech. In fact, the white finish blends very naturally with most home exteriors or garden walls. This makes it a great fit not only for homes, but also for commercial environments like cafes, restaurants, or even event venues. But of course, the real reason to choose the AM-1 over cheaper alternatives is its build quality. These speakers are built to endure. The grille is made of rust-proof aluminum, while the cabinet is constructed from glass-filled plastics, which are extremely resistant to moisture, UV rays, and temperature changes. Whether it's blazing summer heat or an unexpected rain shower, these speakers are engineered to last. Bowers & Wilkins even puts them through rigorous weather testing, which speaks volumes about their commitment to quality and longevity. In terms of connectivity, the speakers are wired, which some might see as a downside in today's wireless age. But for audiophiles or anyone serious about sound quality, wired connections still offer the most reliable performance with zero lag or signal loss, especially in permanent installations. Once set up, you won't need to worry about charging batteries or dealing with inconsistent Bluetooth signals. To wrap it up, who is the AM-1 for? If you're someone who values audiophile-grade sound even when you're outside, and you're looking for a durable, weatherproof speaker that won't fade, rust, or fail over time, the AM-1 is a fantastic investment. It's also a great choice for indoor use in busy or acoustically tricky environments, like restaurants or event spaces.